guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'll be showing off my new firearm board. Well, we still have to add more firearms, but it has a couple. I have some True Alerts on it, some Simplex Pulsation. Alright, but to start off, the show off, we're going to do two plugin that I have not tested. So just pushing right here. It blinked a couple times. Let's see. Let's just say I'll do that later. Yes, it was so literal almost summer. So that's why it's so umbrella. Yeah. Here's the first one. Simplex Foundation. A True Alert. Another True Alert. Whatever. I saw these, but it does not even have a branding. Yeah. And we will be testing it out. We just got my charger now. Alright. I'll just these will go off, and then right in the little hole, that's where we're gonna be adding you know what we're going to do with this weatherproof drill ES, and it's just a strobe. We're probably gonna put this one in. It's just a little loose. It's a simple speaking. And I have a little smoke detector I took off. Yeah, this was the one I was really wanting to put on. This L series remote horn strobe. I think that's Spanish, French, I don't know. But that's the L series. Then the last won't go on. Push in, pull down. Just found my key. For my stone keys. Good. Now with that center, it is literally so bright out. Why do you think there's an umbrella? Not because of the rain, because of the sun. There's not even a rain. Yeah. Going into the garage. Really? A lot of buildings. Wasp. It kind of looks like a... Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad!
Dog.
I'm filming a YouTube video.
Perfect.
Alright. So. Yeah. Right there. again. Yeah.